how to embed temperature details of any particular city or place in your Microsoft Teams group messages. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can embed the weather or the temperature of any particular city or place on your Microsoft Teams messages. So in order to start, the first thing that you're going to do is open any group or Teams messages. As you can see, I have this Teams chat right here. And in order to embed the weather information, you can simply click onto this type a message option, and from here choose this plus icon or the actions and apps. Once you will do this, this small menu will appear, and from here you can simply choose the weather option. Once you will do this, you can simply search for the particular place of where you want the weather of. So let's say I search for London, I can simply choose for the Greater London right here. And once I click onto Greater London, you can see that the weather has been embedded, and it also shows other information like the feeling temperature, the wind speed, humidity, highest and the lowest temperature, chances of precipitation, and also the data from forecast. And also one can click on more details to find more details attached to the same. Now once you're done with this, you can click onto the send button in order to send the weather details to your group chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.